Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how this equation x raised to the power of 4 equal to 1 should be properly solved. Because the degree is 4, we expect to have 4 solutions. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to take 1 to the left hand side. We have something like x raised to the power of 4 minus 1 equals 0, right? And we know that 1 can be expressed to any power. And since this one has a power of 4, we can also express 1 to the power of 4. So we have x raised to the power of 4 minus 1 raised to the power of 4 equals 0. Next, I would like to express x to the power of 4 as x raised to the power of 2 also raised to the power of 2. It is equivalent to this one. I'm going to do the same thing here, 1 squared also to the power of 2 equal to 0. This is what we call a difference of two squares. Remember, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. We are going to apply the same principle here. You take x squared here, which is equivalent to a. We have x squared minus 1 squared, right? 1 squared. Then you multiply, you take x squared again, but plus 1 squared. This is equal to 0. And this is another difference of two squares. Apply the same principle. You have, but can we change this to a difference of two squares? Yes, we can. Let me show you something. Remember that square root of negative 1 is equal to I. Yes? Therefore, if you square both sides, you have negative 1 to be equal to I squared. So wherever we have negative 1, we are free to change it to I squared. So let me rewrite this one. We have x squared minus 1 squared multiplied by x squared minus 1. Remember, minus 1 is plus 1, right? Without even writing the power, because you know that 1 squared is still 1. So we have not changed anything here. Equals 0. So instead of this negative 1, we can confidently replace it with I squared. So let me rewrite. We have x squared minus 1 squared or 1, all the same. We have x squared here minus negative 1, which is I squared, equals 0. So let us apply difference of two squares here and here. We have x minus 1, then multiplied by x plus 1. We're done with this one. Then this one, x minus I multiplied by x plus I equals 0. Now you can see we have 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the first one, you can even combine the two solutions because x here can be 1, negative 1, I, negative I. So you can say that x is plus or minus 1 here, x is plus or minus I here, but it depends. Well, let me just split them. For the first factor, if this is 0, it is only 0 if x is equal to 1. This is 0 only if x is negative 1. This is 0 only if x is I. And lastly, this is equal to 0 if and only if x is negative 1, negative I. Can you see we have 4 solutions, which I told you can write as x equal to plus or minus 1, x equal to plus or minus I. Yeah. So because the degree is 4, we have 4 solutions.